Sustainability leaders, climate pioneers, trailblazers, I have a question for you. Have you ever heard someone say something like this? What difference can I really make? It's only one can. Can't make that much difference, can it? Really? I can't see CO2. I can't really see what difference it makes. You know, sometimes it can be quite hard to get engagement. It can be quite hard to get someone to take climate action. You're passionate, you're driven, you're full of energy, you're full of enthusiasm, but the person sitting next to you just doesn't quite have that same vigor as you do. Now, if you are someone who finds themselves consistently in that situation where you are struggling to get engagement, or maybe you are getting engagement but you want more engagement because this is climate action, then this is a video for you. Hello and welcome to the Sustainable Breakfast. Now, this is my take on all things sustainable. My name is Edwin Julu. I'm Vice President at CO2 Hero for our enterprise business, and I spend my week talking to senior sustainability executives in the largest companies on the planet, Fortune 500 organizations. If you're a sustainability leader working in climate change, I have a fantastic video for you. In fact, a fantastic video series, and in 3 parts, I am going to tell you the real secret to getting climate change. It's real, the real secret. I'm going to tell you as well 3 steps in order to getting the person next to you or a multitude of employees around your organization. Maybe they sit on the other side of the world and you don't even see them, but to get them and your peers and your colleagues around you making climate action. Now, before we get into the content, please do us one big favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share the content. The more sustainability content out there, surely we must all agree, is a good thing, and it really helps the channel, it helps grow it, and it helps get sustainability education out there to people who need it, who can make a real difference. So please, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and together, let's cut down today. Starting with key point number 1, measure. Now, there's a very famous saying, you can't manage what you can't measure. And think about it, it's so true. Now, just imagine you were to try and, like me, keep fit and lose some weight. Now, I love to train, I love to run, but if you don't have a start and you don't have a finish, how are you going to achieve that goal? Games are fun, we all love playing games, but just imagine if there was no goal in the game. There was no start, there was no finish, there was no middle. You didn't know where you were going. You were just aimlessly running around in the game. The difference is measuring. In order to start, you need to measure so you know where you are, and you can set goals to know where you want to get to. And that's how we do it. Now, granted, it is not easy. It's hard for individuals. I know on a company scale, you can make exponential change towards sustainability via worldwide company schemes. But how does that fit with me personally? As an individual, what difference have I made? What incremental changes have I had? That's where we need to start with measuring tools. Now, in CO2 Hero, we can help you measure and visualize CO2. Let's just take back that can and let's just say, what if I were to tell you, I sound a little bit like Morpheus here from the Matrix, but what if I were to tell you that this one can, if you recycle it, that saves enough energy to power a television for 3 hours? Wow. All of a sudden everything changes, doesn't it? All of a sudden everything is different. You know that movie you watched, that series you watched yesterday that lasted 2 hours, 90 minutes, however long it may have lasted, is powered equivalent of this one can. Now, that's huge. If we were to take that into fuel, we're talking 15 miles or 24 kilometers. That's a long drive, all from this one can. Can you feel it? Hey, can you feel that? Now you've measured it, you feel it, don't you? I certainly did. You can feel that. It's different. you can start doing the math in your head and you can start saying things like, hey, hang on a minute, that's 8 cans powers my TV for an entire day. Okay? 24 kilometers, that's the distance to the next major town or my workplace, powered by this can. Now it becomes real. Now you know when you recycle this 1 can, you have made a huge incremental difference to society and yourself and your daily lifestyle living. That's exactly what we do at CO2 Hero. We make it real. You have real-time measuring tools where any one of you can download the app. The links will be in the description or floating around in the page, but just download the app and you can start measuring and visualizing CO2 today. Now it becomes real. Now it becomes something tangible that you can take with you and live by and shout about to your friends. Thanks for watching, and here comes the giveaway. Now, if you would like to get a completely free guide, our real secrets to getting sustainability trending through your organization, and a guide to visualizing, encapsulating, materializing sustainability in your organization, making it real and making it personal, then please just click on the link in the description or floating around on the page. It's completely free, so please do that. Or if you would like to see more sustainability content like this, then please just click subscribe, click a like and click a share. It means the world to us. It does a lot getting sustainability content out there, educating people around the world. And next week, we are going to talk about a fantastic topic. We're going to share with you our secrets as to how we get sustainability trending in organizations, the social to sustainability. So please like, share, and leave a comment if you have any ideas, things that are working in your organization, or you would like to comment on anything that was discussed in this video, then please do so. And together, let's cut down today.